So now I'm going to show you exactly how to get the themes that you saw. So you click on, well, I have it in categories basically. So I have all my games and all my utilities in one category, which is these two buttons over here. This is games, which I have a couple of cracked games. I have iShoot, Crash Kart, Brick 3D, Sims 3, Top Gun, Life, Stone Loops, Monopoly, Wheel Racing. These will all be included in the purchase. These are just demos basically. So you click into utility. A couple of my applications, Backgrounder, very nice application. I'll show you how that works right after I show you the themes. So you click on Winterboard, which is right over here. It's a hidden icon. It's because of the theme that I chose. Now it brings up with all these themes and basically, yep. So I have the Palm WebOS Pretentious, which is the pre-theme that we saw. Ubuntu, Mod My iPhone 3.0, Gucci theme, and these are just basically just different settings and stuff. Let's say you want the Palm, so you do Pretentious and you uncheck this, or sorry, uncheck this. Now it's going to go blank. You're gonna see the spinning circle. It's gonna go blank, and right now you'll see the new theme. And I have the Zag invisible shield on this, so it prevents from any scratches and stuff. And this is the case that I put it in, which is the DLO case. It's very nice, fits in there perfectly. So I got the front protection, sorry about that, front protection and the back protection. So you click on this little lock icon. You're not going to see the slide to unlock, you'll just see this custom lock icon, unlock icon. So you basically just click on it, or you slide it left and right, left or right, and it brings up to this very pre-like theme, messages, calendar, photos, camera, YouTube stocks, all the stuff, iTunes, App Store, mail, all that good stuff. Swipe, games, miscellaneous, Cydia, and Icy, which are two. It's basically like your App Store except everything's free. Categories, 3G unrestrictor, which I'll show you. Install this, which I'll explain, but I guess you could probably watch the video on YouTube or something. Magic 8 Ball, Engadget, which is just a bookmark, IMT Pain, 3D roller coaster. Now I also have like when you slide it right over here, you can search your iPhone, so that's very normal. But since it's a jailbroken iPhone, I have a very nice app on this. So let's say you're trying to look for, let's say, I don't know, Yankees game. Now see, it didn't find it, so I brought up this, which is what I installed, which you can search on Wikipedia, Google, Maps, Twitter. More, brings out to this slide, and it brings movies, news, Google Images, dictionary, Yelp, ESPN, shopping, Yahoo, stocks. And now let's say you click on, I don't know, news. So it's gonna bring out the stacks. So if you use stacks, you're familiar to this. It brings up the 3 stacks, which is CNN, Google Blogs, and Google News. Let's see, you type in Google News, and it goes straight to your Safari, Google News. And here's the Yankees information. I'm not a fan of the Yankees, so I don't even watch baseball. I just typed it in, first thing that came to mind. So yeah, that's basically, that shows you universal search, that's what it's called. It searches on your iPhone, but it also searches everywhere else. Let's see. I'll show you Backgrounder really quickly. So what Backgrounder does is it basically puts your music on background. Let's say you have Pandora, right? I have the Pandora what's it called? Pandora app. So I click on Pandora, and usually when you're playing, it's basically an internet radio, so it's streaming from the internet. So let's see, Acon Radio. I'll choose Acon Radio, and it's gonna play a song. It says "Baby I'm Back" by Acon. Now, first, when you click home, boom, it goes away. You're brought with there's no sound whatsoever. You can't listen to it. Now, backgrounder, what the name inferences is background processing, basically. So let's say you click on utility, you go back into Pandora. Now, when you go into voice control, you basically hold the home button for 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds, and it brings up voice control. You can tell it to search through your music, call your contacts, whatever. Same thing you're gonna do with this. It's basically you're just gonna hold it for a little bit shorter, but you'll see it exactly. So you just hold the home button, boom, and you'll see background enabled. And there we go. It's playing in the background. You can do whatever you want. Go on internet, check your mail. Let's say I go back to Safari. Click on this link. Listen to my music while reading. Now I have something called SB settings, which instead of going back into Pandora, pausing it, all you have to do is slide this right over here, and it brings up this. You can disable 3G, disable Bluetooth, brightness, disable enable, brightness, fast notes, processes, SSH, Wi-Fi. Processes, you go to processes, which is basically like I don't know, Windows Task Manager, and you click on Pandora, and you press delete. Gone. Safari, delete that. Oops. Go back into here. Phone, delete this, and delete this. So basically this just frees up your memory, so you don't have a lot of, so basically it runs quicker. And it shows more, refresh, your dock, respring, power on or off. So that's basically it. That's basically all I wanted to show you guys.